Bombs. Dodge the frontal. We have pushback in 4. Let's stop dying in simple phases. We shouldn't die here now. We have a pushback in 2 seconds.
Baited.
No more deaths, yeah? Let's focus a bit.
Or a few little nerfs running around.
With that ugly transform.
Breath, left side, on add, move, really far move, because it's a weird one. Left side breath, on add, move. Good, go on add, stay on add left side. Stack on the add left side was. Thank you.
Tempest Wing. Electric Lash.
Free spread.
Storm Surge.
Potion? No.
Storm Heart. Focused charge. Electric lash.
So far, so immense, falling without falling to your heart. Want to try to stand the pain of my time, hurts and feet. What about you? You're drunk and so
Electric lash.
it's your own will to go.
We have sparks after, so spread. And then storm wave, so you need to use a personal after the sparks.
Volatile current.
And range, save your interrupts for the ones further away.
Tempest wing.
Toby rally.
I did.
One is
Fulminating charge.
everyone under the
Electric
boss.
lash. Tempest wing.
Yay back rally.
Portal, portal.
Electric lash.
Free spread.
Storm surge.
And use whatever cooldowns
Electric
you have
lash.
to break the shields.
Heart. Focused charge.
When will I fall into your heart? I want to try to stand the pain.
Any personals, health stones, health potions. If you need them, use them here.
You drunk and
Electric lash.
is it your own will to go on and on until I die?
Storm surge.
Okay. Make a priority to dodge the breath.
Never run so far, so immense.
Only one set of stuns here on these sides. We don't need more. We're good.
Balls.
Stand the pain of my time, hurt and feet. And what about you? You drunken soul.
All the way out now. All the way out.
Where to go?
He's coming from the right.
Until I die. Where are you going?
Ads.
Give up now.
These should be the easy ads. Blast them.
Never been running so far, so immense. Far when will I fall into your arms?
Balls, dodge.
Breath in 5.
I want to dance the walls with you. What about
Breath coming now.
From the right side. Get out.
where to go? On and on until
I want one spear in the middle.
Focus ads. Slow them. Fuck them up. Do everything you can.
Dodge the balls as well. Perfect. Dodge balls.
Breath in 5. Breath in 5 seconds. We can push the ads and then we won't get it. Push the big ones. Push the big ones.
Breath, 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 breath.
It shouldn't do it. It's
Yeah,
not doing it.
get in position. Everyone in position. Everyone in position.
Someone grab Hubba.
Pierre raw. Pierre raw.
I made it. Fine.
I'll stop it.
What does all cooldowns?
Hold them for last.
Yeah.
But don't die. Don't stay on the tanks. Yeah. We have a breath that we need to all dodge. And then we have a charge on Aista. Aista, make sure you're saved. Perfect. Take those out and use a personal. Everyone under the boss.
Do not stand on a tank. Do not be in front of the boss.
Twenty-five seconds until left.
We have a wave. Use a personal.
Would put a gate down behind us.
Well, on the other side,
Yeah.
but yes.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Sorry. Breath frontal.
The boss is going to turn around, so don't stand on its tail.
Thunderous blast.
Stay behind the boss.
And we have a pool
Last
in a bit.
potion.
Use a personal.
Electric Flash.
And cooldowns.
Go China, make sure you're safe.
Bit more away, bit more away.
I don't know.
Culminating charge.
Move
Take those out.
Electric Flash.
Move away from the tank. Move away from the tank. Do not be in front of the boss now or you wipe the raid.
Thunderous Blast. Lightning Breath.
We have a pull charge. Make sure you pull us safe
Electric
somewhere.
Flash.
Congrats for the kill, boys and girls.
Under its
Don't
feet.
jinx it, don't jinx it!
Hey!
Oh
Yay.
my god,
Good
that's so
job.
good.
Let's go.
Oh, let's go!
Guts.
That is a tough boss.